All right, Chad, as promised, we're going to try that live redirect right now. So here we go. Hold on to your seatbelts and we'll see what happens. And we're going to go here. We have to take the actual link from Minnie's live stream, so we kind of have to wait until a stream is scheduled, to the best of my knowledge. And then when we are in a stream, then we go to our edit. And a redirect. Add another channel here. There we go. We found her stream. Here we go. Appreciate everybody being here for the live stream. And I would suggest that you go over and check Mini Fox if this does not work. Here's her link anyway. Ninu Koni. Ni no Kuni is what she's playing there. Please enjoy the stream. After the stream it ends, it'll probably take a few seconds. That's what Booster says. I trust Booster because Booster is so much smarter than I am. Here we go. Thank you all so much for watching DaVinci Gaming and Valheim, and y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right, let's see what happens here with this live redirect. And let's see where it goes, where it takes everybody. Does it take everybody here? Does it go there? The stream is ending. I turned off my Streamlabs OBS. Maybe if I go to a display capture. There we go. The stream should be ending. It's spinning. I ended it in Streamlabs. So normally it should end by now. Or is it taking us to... Yeah, I didn't get any notification there. All right, there we go. So our stream has ended here. All right. Stream is finished. I don't know if I did it right. Did it work? Oh, we're getting notification that it did work. Over here on, let's go into Mini Fox's on the screen here. All right. So it appears the raid worked. Awesome. There we go. That's how it goes. Awesome, awesome. And let's turn on the...
If I did, what would you need it for? You don't need to worry about that. Let's just say the place we need to go has what we call a strict dress code.
And that's how the raid works there. I may have to piece together this.
Thank you so much for doing that. That really,
all right.
That is really appreciated. And
awesome.
I love that. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
There we go.
Is that a fact? Well, even if I was in the armor business, gear like that ain't easy to get hold of.
All right, appreciate you all so much, and yeah, we'll keep playing with this raid, see if we can get it a little less cumbersome, and see what all we need to do to, you know, make it better and easier for everybody. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day.